Hi everyone, and welcome to week 5 of Writing 111. So this week is a peer review week. I enjoyed looking through your drafts and I've responded to them. So you should have access to your drafts again, and you should be working on them because tomorrow in class we will begin our peer review. I've added each one of you who submitted a draft to a peer review group, and I've provided the directions here. So we'll begin our peer review tomorrow in class. You'll sit with your group and we'll do some exercises together. The peer review will extend until Saturday, so you'll share your drafts with one another and you're going to work as a group of 3 to make your drafts, the best that you can with the days that follow. So, the things that are going to drive our workshop are identifying the writer's purpose and helping them to make sure it's clear, making sure that body paragraphs have clear topic sentences, making sure that we're telling the writer, what is really moving their draft forward, what's interesting to the reader, and what kinds of information might need to be cut or changed. So you can find your group here. And this is the group of people who you'll sit with tomorrow while we get started in the peer review. You'll have until Saturday to finish. I've also included a short reading on reflection. That's going to be important for all of our work this semester because I believe that your draft, takes place pretty fast, the work that you do for this class. The ability to reflect on it and say what you might do if you had more time or if you had more hindsight is an important part of that process, and it will be a part of your grade. In addition to submitting your final draft, you'll also write a reflection where you're evaluating yourself. So this is an important piece of reading for you to help direct that reflection. So I'll look forward to seeing you all in class tomorrow. If you're not going to make it, make sure you let me know in advance so I can figure out how the group situation will work. So see you all in class tomorrow, and make sure that you're working on your draft and that you're ready for the peer review starting tomorrow. Take care, everyone.